everyone, welcome to another Acres of Timber CRM tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to get the statistics from any emails or newsletters that you send out. So there's actually two ways that you can get to this from your dashboard. You're just going to want to go to your menu on the left-hand side and expand Marketing, and then you'll go to Emails, and you can hit Sent. And then it'll have a list of all of your sent emails. It'll give you a little summary right here, but if you actually click on the name and then hit Show Stats, you'll get a more in-depth report. And then you can also get to this screen by going to Contacts and hitting the drop-down, going to Contact Requests, Bulk Actions, and then instead of Scheduled, you want to drop this down to Completed. And then you'll get all of your completed emails, and you can show the statistics all right in the screen. Yeah, so that is how you check your stats for your email mailers in the Acres of Timber CRM. Thanks for watching.